Several people have been injured and 5 are considered missing following a huge explosion in Germany. The explosion at the Leverkusen Chempark site happened on Tuesday morning and has caused extreme danger in the area. Cologne Police said several people had been injured in the blast and urged people to stay away from the area to ensure emergency services can access rescue routes. In a statement posted on its Twitter page, the force said, "The situation in Leverkusen-Wiesdorf is currently still confusing. We are with many police officers on site and clarifying the situation. There are several injured. Avoid the area. We need all rescue routes on site. Keep the streets clear for the emergency services." Did you witness the explosion? Get in touch with us at webnews@mirror.co.uk. Currenta, who operate the site, said a number of people have been injured, 2 seriously and 5 employees are currently missing. The company says the explosion happened at 9:40 a.m. on Tuesday and was followed by a fire in the tank farm of the Bürrig disposal center. A spokesman for Currenta said, for a previously unknown cause, there was an explosion at Chempark Leverkusen at around 9:40 a.m., followed by a fire in the tank farm of the Bürrig disposal center. The rescue workers are on duty. The air test van is in use. The sirens and warning apps were triggered to warn the population. The residents of Leverkusen are asked to go to closed rooms, switch off air conditioning and, as a precaution, to keep windows and doors closed. Several employees were injured in the event, at least 2 of them seriously. They are currently receiving medical treatment. Five employees are currently missing. A hotline has been set up for the population. The Federal Office for Civil Protection and Disaster Assistance, (BBK), has warned the public to close their windows and to stay inside as fears dangerous gases from Chempark Leverkusen have leaked mound. Its warning app, Nina, urged people in the district of Burrig to go inside and close all doors and windows. It said, "Explosion in Burrig, warning level, extreme danger." Close your doors and windows, go inside buildings, only call 112 if you have information on the events. Chempark has urged residents to go inside and keep windows and doors closed. In a tweet, the company said, for a previously unknown cause, there was an explosion in the Chempark Leverkusen. Plant fire brigade and air test vehicle in action. Residents please go to closed rooms and keep doors and windows closed. It is understood a large cloud of black smoke can also be seen from Cologne, which is around 18 kilometers away from Leverkusen. Police have blocked off streets around the site as well as the Leverkusen West motorway junction and the A1 between the Leverkusen and Cologne Nord motorway junction. Officers from the service are on site to investigate the situation. Local news services have reported that police are blocking roads in the area where the explosion has happened. People living in the area have warned others to take care as the incident is dealt with. One social media user said, "A bare waste incineration plant in Leverkusen blew up about 10 to 15 minutes ago. If you are around, take care."